Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SmartAdvocate Case Management Beginner Guide step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your SmartAdvocate account. Enter your username and password, then click on the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the main menu. Click on Case Management from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of configuration options for case management. Begin with the Case Types section. Here, you can create new case types or modify existing ones. To add a new case type, click on the Add New Case Type button. Fill in the required fields such as name and description. Make sure to save your changes after entering the information. Next, move to the Custom Fields section. Custom fields allow you to tailor the case management process. Click on Add Custom Field to define a new field. Choose the type of field you want, such as text, drop-down, or checkbox. Enter a name for the custom field and any additional options. Once done, save your changes. Now, navigate to the Workflow section. This is where you can establish the statistical flow of cases through different stages. Click on the Add New Workflow button to create a new workflow. Define the stages of the workflow, such as intake, investigation, and resolution. Set the rules for each stage, including triggers and notifications. After completing the workflow setup, save your changes. Next, explore the Templates section. This is where you can create templates for documents or forms. Click on Add New Template to start. Choose the type of document you wish to create. Fill in the content of the template and format it as needed. Be sure to save your template once completed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.